Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over some 5 off $25 scenarios that you guys can do any day this week. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, first up, I want to go ahead and let y'all know that if you haven't been paying attention, Dollar General is absolutely on fire this week. So I'm uploading this video Wednesday morning, and I have already uploaded 8 other Dollar General videos, plus I have another one that's going to be uploading right after I get this one done. So it has just been back to back to back deals. We've got surprise pennies, we have penny news, we also have clearance event stuff. I mean, it's just absolutely crazy. So if you guys have missed out on any of these videos that are scrolling across your screen right now, make sure that you check out the pinned comment down below. They will all be listed and linked for you right there. Now, let's go ahead and talk about some 5 off $25 scenarios, shall we? So, if you guys watched my video from Friday, I told you all if you went out on Saturday and used your digital 5 off $25 coupon, that Dollar General would be giving us another 5 off $25 coupon to use all week long. So, if you received that coupon on your account on Monday, make sure that you go ahead and clip it, and that one does expire on Friday the 24th. So just keep that in mind, but you can also do these deals again on Saturday with our regular 5 off $25 coupon. Now, if you are new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So when you are in the store, it is very important to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Alright guys, so first up we have a gain deal, and this is going to be stacking our 5 off $25 coupon with our 5 off 30 DG store coupon. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.50. There's a lot of different ones that y'all can choose from: the liquid, the flings, the fabric softener, the dryer sheets, and the fireworks. Then you want to pick up one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents at $5.50, one of the Gain laundry products at $4.50, one of the Gain scented Swiffer products at $5.50, 3 of the American greeting cards for 50 cents each, one of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, and one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $34. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 30 Gain DG store coupon, your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 1 off 1 Gain liquid laundry detergent, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 2 off 1 Swiffer, the 150 off 3 American greeting, and the 3 off 2 Oral-B and Crest. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $13.50 for 10 items, making each one just $1.35 each. And if you don't have the Oral-B and Crest, don't worry about it. Just leave those items off. That's going to put your subtotal at $32. And after coupons, you're going to pay $14.50 for 10 items, making each one just $1.40 each. All right, next up, we have a little household deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Almighty packs priced at $4.50, one of the Sparkle 2-count paper towels at $3.95, one of the Finish 12-count dishwasher tablets at $3.85, one of the Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aids at $4.95, one of the Skintimate razors at $6.50, one of the Believe Beauty nail polishes or the files at $1.25, 2 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $1 each, and 3 American greeting cards at 50 cents each. That's going to put your subtotal at $28.50. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 All or Snuggle product, the 1 off 1 Sparkle paper towel, the 150 off 1 Finish product, the 2 off 1 Finish product, the 4 off 1 Skintimate razor, the 1 off 1 Believe Beauty product, and the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $8.50 for 11 items. But this deal gets even better because then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get 75 cents back on the Finish dishwasher tablets and 50 cents back on the Finish Jet Dry Rinse Aid. So that is going to make your final price $7.25 for 11 items, making each one just 65 cents each. Now, here's the rundown. If you don't have the Oral-B and Crest toothpaste, it's going to put your subtotal at $26.50. After coupons, you'll pay $9.50. You'll get back $1.25 from Ibotta, making your final price $8.25 for 11 items, making each one just 75 cents each. All right, next up, we have a personal care deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Dove 12-ounce body washes at $5, one of the Dove Body Love lotions at $6.50, one of the Skintimate razors at $6.50, one of the Chic Intuition razors at $7.60, $2.75, 3 American greeting cards at 50 cents each, 2 of the Captain Crunch cereals at $1 each, and 2 of the Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $31.25. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 9 Dove DG Store coupon, the 2 off 1 Dove Body Wash, the 4 off 1 Dove Body Love, the 4 off 1 Skintimate Razor, the 4 off 1 Schick Razors, the 150 off 3 American Greeting, the 2 off 2 Quaker, and the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $3.75 for 11 items, making each one just 34 cents each. And if you don't have the Crest and Oral-B, don't worry about it. Just leave those items off. Your subtotal is going to be $29.25, and after coupons, you'll pay $4.75 for 11 items, making each one just 43 cents each. All right, moving right along for this next scenario, you want to pick up one of the Pepsi or Mountain Dew 2 liters at $2.30, one of the Frito-Lay dips at $3.20, 2 of the Pringles at $2 each, 2 of the Lipton soups at $2 each, 2 of the Captain Crunch cereals at $1 each, 1 of the Suave hand soaps lemon scent at $2, 1 of the Bounty 1-count paper towels at $1, 1 of the Skintimate razors at $6.50, 3 American greeting cards at 50 cents each, 1 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1, and 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and that's going to put your subtotal at $28.50. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 2 Pepsi and Lay's, the 1 off 2 Pringles, the 1 off 2 Lipton soups, the 2 off 2 Quaker, the 1 off 1 Suave, the 25-cent off 1 Bounty, the 4 off 1 Skintimate razors, the 150 off 3 American Greeting, and the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $6.75 for 16 items, making each one just 42 cents each. And if you don't have the Crest and Oral-B, don't worry about it. Your subtotal will be $26.50. After the coupons, you're going to pay $7.75 for 16 items, making each one just 48 cents each. All right, now for our next scenario, we're going to be taking advantage of the instant savings of $3 when you spend $16 on Scott brand products. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Scott 12-count bath tissues at $5 each, and 1 of the Scott 6-count paper towels at $6.50. 1 of the finished 12-count dishwasher tablets at $3.85, 1 of the Skintimate razors at $6.50, 1 of the Believe Beauty nail polishes at $1.25, 3 American greeting cards at 50 cents each, and 2 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $1 each. And that's going to put your subtotal at $31.60. Your $3 in instant savings will come off first at the register, and that's going to bring your new subtotal to $28.60. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25 DG Store coupon, your 1 off 1 Scott bath tissue, your 1 off 1 Scott paper towels, the 2 off 1 Finish, the 4 off 1 Skintimate razors, the 1 off 1 Believe Beauty, the 150 off 3 American Greeting, and the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $10.10 for 11 items. But this still gets even better because then you're going to submit a receipt to the coupons.com app and receive back $1 for picking up that second Scott bath tissue. And I do apologize, I forgot to make a slide for that, but don't forget to submit your receipt there. And then you're also going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get 75 cents back on the finished dishwasher tablets. And then also don't forget to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards because right now on Fetch Rewards we have a couple of bonuses on the Scott paper products. And that is going to make your final price $8.35 for 11 items, making each one just 75 cents each. And if you don't have the Crest and Oral-B, don't worry about it. Just leave those items off. Your subtotal will be $29.60. The $3 in instant savings will come off, and that'll put your new subtotal at $26.60. After coupons, you'll pay $11.10, but after you receive back the $1 from coupons and the 75 cents from Ibotta, that's going to make your final price $9.35 for 11 items, making each one just 85 cents each. All right, next up, we have a Tide deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Tide liquid or the pods priced at $5.50. 1 of the Downy fabric softeners or the beads at $6.95, 1 of the Febreze 1-count car clips, woods scented at $3.35, 1 of the Dove 12-count body washes at $5, 1 of the Dove Body Love lotions at $6.50, 3 American greeting cards for 50 cents each, and 2 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes for $1 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $30.80. And here's your list of coupons. So you're going to need your 5 off 25, your 1 off 1 Tide, 2 off 1 Downy, 2 off 1 Febreze Unstoppables, 2 off 9 Dove DG Store coupon, the 2 off 1 Dove Body Wash, the 4 off 1 Dove Body Love, the 150 off 3 American Greeting, and the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $8.30 for 10 items, making each one just 83 cents each. And if you don't have the Crest and Oral-B, your subtotal is going to be $28.80, and after coupons, you'll pay $9.30 for 10 items, making each one just 93 cents each. All right, and for our final scenario, you want to pick up one of the Bounty 1-count paper towels at $1, one of the finished 12-count dishwasher tablets at $3.85, one of the Febreze Woods scented 1-count car clips at $3.35, two of the Captain Crunch cereals at $1 each, one of the Believe Beauty nail files at $1.25, one of the Skintimate razors at $6.50, one of the Bic razors at $5.50, 3 American greeting cards at 50 cents each, and 2 of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $26.95. All right, and here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 25-cent off 1 Bounty, 2 off 1 Finish, 2 off 1 Febreze, 2 off 2 Quaker, 1 off 1 Believe Beauty, 4 off 1 Skintimate razors, 2 off 1 Bic razors, 150 off 3 American Greeting, and the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B. And after coupons, you're going to pay just $4.20 for 13 items. But then you're going to send me a receipt to Ibotta and get 75 cents back on the finished dishwasher tablets, and that's going to make your final price $3.45 for 13 items, making each one just 26 cents each. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and don't forget, make sure that y'all stick around and stay tuned and turn on those notifications because I will be uploading a second video right after this one gets done. So, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It is completely free. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.